Bioenzyme is an eco-friendly soil supplement which contains growth stimulants made from vegetables and fruit peels. It comprises of potassium, humate, amino acids derived from protein fractions and vitamin B complex. Plant growth and development. Its application helps in uniform growth of the plant. In today's video, we will learn about how to make citrus bioenzymes for our plants. Take jaggery or black strap 1 portion, citrus peels 3 portion. You can take lime peels, orange peels, any citrus fruit peel you can take. Water 10 portion. Add everything in a 1 or 2 liter bottle. As you can see, I have added already water, lime peels and jaggery. Add everything together. Ferment for 1 month in anaerobic conditions. Make sure the jaggery cubes are cut into small pieces to ensure the dissolve quickly. Friends, first we know about that what is the plant enzyme's role exclusively in a plant's body. The enzymes acts as a natural catalyst for different metabolic reaction inside plants which enhances the rate of reaction without being consumed in biological process. Enzyme is very useful for plant growth. Bioenzyme granules is an eco-friendly soil application supplement which contains growth stimulants made from different type of peels. It granules helps to uniform growth of products, better yield, makes plants able to withstand stress and drought conditions, and also helps in increase production, reduces fruits. Friends, bioenzymes is very useful for our garden, or you can use it for many purpose. Pest control. Continued use of bioenzyme have been known to repel small insects, ants, cockroaches, cockroaches at home. Also, it helps to prevent the mildew, ants from your garden. Bioenzyme is being used extremely effectively in fumigation along with soap nuts and neem oil. It is a wonderful bloom nutrient. Also helps in managing plant pests like whiteflies, mealybugs and spider mites. There are maybe many more uses that may just need to be discovered. Friends, after 3 months, you can use it as a biofertilizer. The quantity you can take 10 ml in 1 liter, mix it together and spray it all over your plant, or add 3 ml of citrus bioenzyme to 1 liter of water and spray it on plants or the wet soil. It is not harmful if quantity is fluctuated. It's not been harmful for your plants. This improves the soil quality and act as a natural growth promoter in plants. I am telling you all these things with my experience. I have already used it the bioenzymes for my garden. This is a natural fertilizer for lush garden and orchids. This solution is a valuable organic fertilizer and harmless pesticide and herbicide. It will enrich the soil of your orchids and vegetable garden. eliminate all pests, and also improve the quality and flavor of fruits and vegetables. For the fertilization of fruit, vegetables, or flowers, and eliminating pest, dilute the solution with water in a ratio of 30 ml solution in 2 liter or 1 liter you can take according to your need of water, and spray the soil around the plant or the plant itself if contaminated with paste such as aphids. Do not use the concentrated solution because it will burn the plant and acidify the soil. Friends, please remember this precaution. Don't use concentrated solution. Use after mixing with normal water. Friends, the use of these natural solutions will contribute to the preservation of not only the environment but
Friends,
also the entire
if you
planet.
like this
It is
information,
also, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.